Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. And in this video I have an iPhone 7 screen and an iPhone 7, and this is my iPhone 7. I did set this up and test out with the display and it did work, so I want to do an installation. There are a bunch of screws missing on this phone and it was iCloud locked. I did the iCloud bypass via check crane and it did work. So this screen I bought for $12.99 off from eBay from a good seller, and the screen does work. And just to show you, I will turn this phone on. So the first thing you want to do when you do an iPhone repair is disconnect the battery, because you don't want to fry anything whilst doing a repair. So, and if you do a screen replacement, I recommend to test out the screen before you actually install all the parts, because if you need to return it, you can just return it in one piece rather than you installing the parts and then taking them off and sending it off. So let's test the screen out then. So there's two connectors, I believe, both the display and the touch ID and the home button. You can see the screen does power the phone on. So there are a lot of parts missing, like this camera is broken, the camera bracket, these brackets, this antenna needs to get replaced, and a bunch of missing screws from this phone. And I am going to replace that in a new video, but for now, because I want to make a YouTube video, because I haven't been posting, I'm just going to do this. So I'm going to turn the phone off, which you need to do all the time when doing a repair. So if the phone's fully off, you just want to remove the battery connector up here, move that away so it doesn't make any contact with the other connectors, nor the motherboard or the logic board. So I'm not going to install everything today, as I said. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install just all the parts and all the screws I have for this, and then in the next video I will properly finish this phone off and I'll seal it properly with waterproofing or the dust resistant seal for this phone. So first of all, listen, I have 4 screws, so 2 on each side, so it's even. So these are white. So it's triple Y 0 something screws which hold in this phone. I don't know if they're supposed to be 0 underneath, but hopefully in the next video I can see it properly. These videos aren't scripted, so I'm saying it whilst I'm doing the repair, so I don't know what I'm saying. Takes lots of precision, and today I'm not filming on my phone because it's cracked. I'm filming on an iPhone X, which I do need to give back to my mom later. So yeah, so that's installed, and the worst bit is that the parts of this, like the speaker and the bracket, are missing, so that sucks. So this is going to be really easy to install, because I just need to press it down and make sure it just aligns into place, fits into place, and then yeah. So I've made this piece of paper, so it goes over here and into this place on the iPhone, so it doesn't make the camera rattle every time you use the phone. So let's install the home button, which is unlike any other iPhone. iPhone 7 and above, you have to install it from the front of the phone, not the back of the phone. So this is a different design compared to the iPhone 6 and the 6S and the other older iPhone models. So you need to slip it under this connector for the home button, and you just need to push it into place, connecting the home button to the iPhone. I did rip this when I did remove it from the original screen, and that was missing parts as well. And I do not have those parts. The only part I have for this phone is this screen. So yeah, so I'm gonna install this connector. It's gonna be kind of trouble. It's kind of hard. So I've just installed it. I think it took me like 5 minutes. So now I'm just gonna install the bracket for the home button. Luckily I have this, or else the home button wouldn't stay in, which is a bad thing. So let's install this home button. So there's like 4 screws holding this in, but I only have 3 screws, which sucks. So it goes in this way. I'm just gonna install the middle screw that's holding in the iPhone home button so that doesn't wiggle around anymore. I am using 3 fingers, 2 fingers, minus this hand, 4 finger. Screw holding in this side. Soon I'm gonna buy a parts phone, and then I'm gonna take out the parts from that phone and then install it to this one, because this one's a better phone. 32 gigs on iOS 13.6.1, the latest firmware at the moment for the iPhone 7. So I'm not going to install iOS 14 on this device for some reasons. So when you install the screen, you want to install the camera ribbon cable in first, followed by the display connectors, and then lastly the battery one. So that's that installed. So in theory the phone should turn on. Yeah, there we go. I don't think I've installed the iPhone ribbon cable for the digitizer properly, so I need to see that later. So it did turn on quite weirdly. Yeah, so when I drag the assistive touch around the display. Okay, so I think I did install the home button and wrong, as it says it's unavailable. So I'm gonna do that off camera. So I'm gonna see you guys later in another video. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video.